Hi besties, let me show you how I clean my airbrush. We're going to be using the copper wire, nail dissolver, scissors, tweezers, alcohol pad, and cotton wool. Before I start, I'll take out the bottom part, dip my cotton wool in nail dissolver, and start by cleaning the fluid cup. So I like to clean the fluid cup before I dismantle because it makes the whole thing easier so that I don't forget to clean it afterwards. So once I'm done, I'm going to take out the fluid cup, take out the nozzle cap, then take out the needle cap, which is the hardest part to clean. Welcome into that. So I'm going to start by dipping tiny piece of cotton wool in dissolver and start by cleaning this particular part. I don't know what it's called. If you notice, I'm moving my hands back and forth and I'm using this particular curved tweezer because it makes it easier to get to those parts that the straight tweezers will not get to. So once I'm done cleaning this part, don't forget to change your cotton wool when you notice that the cotton wool is now very dirty. So for this part, if you notice, there's a tiny hole that connects this part and that part. So we're going to push the cotton wool in that hole gently. You're going to do that gently and then you start twisting and you're turning. It makes it easy for you to get rid of any particles in that hole. So once you are sure that, okay, this thing is already clean, you can now move to the next part. So I'm just trying to clean and make sure that everything is clean and shiny. Then the next step is to clean the nozzle cap. Very easy to clean. I mean, when you're using the right instruments, it makes the work easier and faster. So once we are done with that, we're going to clean the needle cap. I'm going to cut a tiny piece of alcohol pad, soak it in nail dissolver and put it in the needle cap. So you're going to push that in and then twist. The alcohol pad should soak enough nail dissolver because it's going to soften the residue and make them come out from the tip of the needle cap. So we're going to continue doing that. You are sure that it's clean. Make sure you use alcohol pad. Don't use tissue. Don't use cotton wool because it's going to be very hard to bring it out after you are done twisting and turning. So once we are done with that, make sure that everything is clean. I'm going to use this copper wire because this is the tiniest thing that I know that can pass through that hole. So I'm going to push. You see that there's nothing there, and if you have anything stuck in between the needle cap, this is what is going to help push it out. So if you have this, good for you because needle cannot pass through this thing. So now that we are done, I'm going to fix them back so that we can test if this is clean. So we're going to put in nail dissolver and you see everything is working perfectly fine. So this is my own way to clean my airbrush. This is the easiest way for me, and I decided to share it with you guys. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you. Bye.